Hello and welcome to the class on selection differential and genetic gain. Selection differential is the observed superiority or inferiority of selected parents as compared to the average of the population from which they are selected, and it is calculated with the formula capital S is equal to PS bar minus P bar, where S represents the selection differential, PS bar represents mean of the selected parents, and P bar is the population mean before selection. Weighted selection differential: when each parent is weighted by the number of progeny it contributed to the next generation, then the selection differential is known as weighted selection differential, and it is calculated with the formula summation xi multiplied by ni divided by small n minus p bar, where xi represents the observation of ith parent, ni is the number of progenies of ith parent, p bar is the population mean before selection, small n is the total number of progenies produced by all the selected parents. We will see with the help of a solved example. Suppose in a meat type of goat, if 5 bucks were selected as sires for the next generation based on their 6 months body weight, find out the selection differential and weighted selection differential, where population mean is 24 kilograms. Here, selection differential can be calculated with the formula S is equal to PS bar minus P bar. The mean of selected parent comes to 30 kilograms minus population mean 24 kilograms. Therefore, selection differential is 6 kilograms. This selection differential is also known as observed selection differential. For calculation of weighted selection differential, the weight of each individual selected parent is multiplied with number of progenies it contributed, divided by total number of progenies minus population mean, and the weighted selection differential comes to 5.41 kilograms. The genetic gain, genetic progress, or the expected genetic gain for a quantitative trait is equal to product of its heritability and selection differential. Annual genetic gain is calculated by taking heritability multiplied by selection differential divided by generation interval of the species. Now, in many of the species, generation interval for males will be different, generation interval for females will be different, selection differential for males and selection differential for females will be different. In that case, the annual genetic gain is calculated with the formula heritability multiplied by selection differential of males plus selection differential of females divided by generation interval of males plus generation interval of females. Generation interval is the average age of the parents when their offsprings are born, or it can also be taken as the time interval between two successive generations at similar stages of life. Response to selection, denoted with letter capital R, is the difference between mean phenotypic value of the offspring of selected parents and whole of the parental generation before selection. It is also known as observed genetic gain, and it is calculated with the formula response is equal to mean of the progeny of the selected parents minus mean of the population before selection. When selection differential is expressed in terms of phenotypic standard deviation units of the trait, it is termed as intensity of selection, that is small I, and it is calculated with the formula selection differential divided by phenotypic standard deviation units of the trait. Now, if we take response to selection divided by selection differential, it yields heritability, and this heritability is known as realized heritability because it is the heritability which is actually realized by a selection experiment. Now we will see with the help of a solved example. Here the example states that in a poultry breeding farm, the data on egg production of 20 hens in the first 15 days is given below. From this, 70% hens are to be selected. Compute the selection differential, intensity of selection, expected genetic gain, observed genetic gain, annual genetic gain, and realized heritability. Assuming heritability of egg production to be 0.2, progeny mean egg production to be 7.19, and generation interval to be 1.5 years. We will have to calculate these parameters. First, the population mean is calculated as 6.9. Mean of selected parents is calculated as 8.29, and therefore observed selection differential comes to 1.39 eggs. Phenotypic standard deviation comes to 2.73, which is used to calculate intensity of selection, which comes to 0.51. Expected genetic gain is calculated with the formula heritability multiplied by selection differential, which comes to 0.28 eggs. The annual genetic gain is obtained as 0.186 eggs. Observed genetic gain or response to selection is calculated as 0.29 eggs, where 7.19 is the mean of the progeny. Realized heritability comes to 0.21. You can see the difference between the heritability of egg production, it was given as 0.2, and the actual realized heritability by this selection experiment is coming to 0.21. Based on this, we have an example for you as your homework. It states that the staple length of wool was recorded for the following 25 animals. Top 24% animals were to be selected for future breeding. Now, based on this information, compute the selection differential, intensity of selection, expected genetic gain, observed genetic gain, annual genetic gain, and realized heritability. Assuming heritability of the trait to be 0.34, progeny mean staple length to be 16.5, and generation interval to be of 2 years. Thank you.